Okay, we are going to be looking at multiplication of matrix by a number. We call it scalar multiplication. So let's go right to the question here. So we have the first one, number one. If matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4, find I, 5A. So it means that we are using this 5 to multiply each of the entries, each of the elements in the matrix. So this is like 5 times 1. Then we have 5 times 2. Then we have 5 times 3. 5 will multiply each of these elements there. Then we have 5 times 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. And that is the answer. Then the second question we have minus A. We are using minus 1. This is invisible minus 1 to multiply each of these. So it's like minus 1 times 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 times 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. And that should be the answer. Then if you check the third question there, we have minus 2A. What does it mean? We are using minus 2 to multiply each of these. That is minus 2 times 1, minus 2 times 2, minus 2 times 3, minus 2 times 4, which will give us minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, minus 2 times 2 is minus 4, minus 2 times 3 is minus 6, minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. And that is the answer. Okay, let's go to the second question, number 2. We have given that matrix A is this. Find 3A. Find 3A. So it means that we are using 3 to multiply each of these. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. 3 times 2 is 6. Remember, we're using 3 to multiply each of the elements there, each of the numbers. 3 times minus 6, minus 18. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times minus 4, minus 12. So you can see that the answer here is this. We have used this scalar, which is 3, to multiply all the elements there. We'll go to number 3 question. First of all, we have matrix A and matrix B. So we have 5B. This is 5B minus 2A. So we are using 5 to multiply all the elements in B. Let me write it here. 1, 0, minus 2, 4. 2, 5, minus 1, 0. Then minus 2 bracket. We are using minus 2 to multiply all the elements in matrix A, which is 1, minus 2, 0, 3. Then 3, 2, 5, 1 is equal to 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times minus 2, minus 10. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times minus 1, minus 5. 5 times 0, 0. We are done with this. Then there's minus here. Take note of that. Minus 2. So let's say minus, for example. Let me use 2 so that it's going to make sense. So let's say we have 2 times 1, 2. I'm just trying to use this 2. So when I'm done, I will now subtract. So 2 times 1, 2. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 1, 2. So what do you notice now? We are going to subtract. And remember in our video, we said that you cannot subtract or add if they don't have the same order. You can see they have the same order. This is 2 by 4 matrix and this is 2 by 4 matrix. It means it has 4 rows and 2 rows and 4 columns. So let's go. We have 5 minus 2. We have 0 minus, there's minus here, then minus 4. We have minus 10 minus 0. We have 20 minus 6. Then we have 10 minus 6. Then we have 25 minus 4. Then we have minus 5 minus 5. There's minus here, then 10. Then we have 0 minus 2. So let's check what we are going to get. 5 minus 2 is 3. Minus times minus is plus. So 0 plus 4 is 4. Minus 10 minus 0 is minus 10. 0 means nothing. 20 minus 6 is 14. 10 minus 6 is 4. 25 minus 4 is 21. Minus 5 minus 10 is minus 15. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. And with this, we have come to the end of solving question using scalar multiplication. Thank you.